Inihayag ni Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte na willing si Moro National Liberation Front o MNLF Chairperson Nur Miswari na makipag-usap ng kapayapaan sa pamahalaan. Ginawa ng punong ehekutibo ang pahayag sa General Assembly ng League of Municipalities of the Philippines sa Manila kagabi.
Sabi ko, itong kay Nor, ariglo tayo dito. Sabi ni Nor is willing to talk and has waited this long for me to make a decisive decision when he comes back.
Kaya naman ayon kay Pangulong Duterte, napapanahon ng bumuo ng panibagong kasunduang pangkapayapaan ng pamahalaan sa MNLF. Inatasan nito sina Presidential Peace Advisor Carlito Galvez, Interior Secretary Eduardo Anyo at Defense Secretary Delfin Lorenzana na tumulong sa pagbuo ng naturang kasunduan.
Sabi ko, time for us to crack a new deal for the MNLF. Yan, kailangan pa natin yan. But they are revolutions driven with territorial intentions or objectives.
Lunes ng gabi nang magpulong sina Pangulong Duterte at Miswari sa Malacanang. Ngayong araw, babiyahe si Miswari matapos payagan ng Sandigan Bayan patungong Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates at Morocco para dumalo sa 48th session ng OIC Council of Foreign Ministers. Naglagak ito sa korte ng 920,000 pesos na halaga ng cash travel bond kaugnay nito. Ayon mismo kay Pangulong Duterte, gumawa siya ng paraan upang pahintulutan si Miswari na makalabas ng bansa.
Now there's Miswari. He saw me last night. He was not allowed by the court to go out because he has pending charges when he was armed. So I had to make some arrangement. Sabi ko, this is a personal request of me, which I do not do at any time, at any other time. Sabi ko, papalabasin ninyo. Sabi ko, for the sake of, alam mo na, because I still have to craft.
Dagdag pa ng punong ehekutibo, itutuloy ang pag-uusap ng pamahalaan at MNLF pagbalik sa Pilipinas ni Miswari. Rosa Licoz, UNTV News and Rescue, Philippines.